don't you? Yes. And then you do a little sequin bag. Oh, come on, like it makes me almost weep when I see this. But I don't want you to be uncomfortable and feel naked all night. So I would suggest that you do it with a thin gauge gray top underneath it. You're going to look sensational this way, much newer. And then you can wear it next summer. Again, so this is multi-purpose shopping, right? But then I found a cardi, and I wanted it to be very voluminous also, so this works beautifully with it. And again, I'm covering up the lower part of the hip, if you know what I'm talking about. That's so good. That's the best. Turn around. You want that to just peek out ever so slightly, and then turn around again, found the scarf, tied it in a bow, go off to the side. Go off to the side. There you go. There you go. All right? Beautiful little legging. Again, the H&M shoe. Cheap, cheap, cheap. Love this outfit. Fantastic. Please go for a walk. Isn't that nice? So what do you think is the key to today? What do you think that you've learned more than anything? Layering. That's what it is. Layering. It makes it exciting. It really changes things. I've got a cardigan on. I'm going to wear this little underpinning under this guy, and then I'm going to do the cardigan and this, rather than, oh God, there's my arms, I don't know what to do with them. They're there, but I don't like them. So this is a neat way to kind of deal with it. Rather than doing the cardigan to there, don't do that.